Dongguan Zhichuan Precision Technology Company Limited was established in 2002. It mainly produces non-standard precision parts, fixtures, and non-standard automation equipment. It has mature processing technology for sophisticated precision parts, as well as process parts of various materials, including ceramics, quartz glass, sapphire, tungsten steel, high-temperature resistant materials, thermal insulation materials, insulating materials, and various special engineering plastics. Mature technology for small holes, porous parts, probe seats, mixed material assemblies, turntables, cams, rubber-coated shafts, and other parts of different materials. It is mainly used in precision components, fixtures, and precision parts of automation equipment in medical, communication, connectors, semiconductors, optics, and other fields.